Good morning, children. So I'm sitting on the carpet today to do our maths lesson. So maybe you might want to sit on the carpet, or you can sit at the table because your 10 frame that you need to be using today is a little bit smaller than mine. But I thought that we could use my nice big 10 frame on my carpet so you can see what I'm doing. So first of all, what we need to do is make sure we have got 10 squares on my 10 frame. So can you help me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to write that number on my board. So we should also all know now that when we write the number 10, we need a 1 and a 0. Can you show me 10 fingers? Well done. Fantastic. 10 fingers. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're still going to be working on making the number 10. So we really want to know all the different ways we make 10. Because when you get into year 1, it will really help you if you just know all those calculations. And there's a little pattern as well. So we'll keep your eye out to see if you can spot that pattern. So what you need today is you need your 10 frame. And then you need some loose parts. So I've got shells. And then I've got my little wooden discs. You might have pasta at home. You might have some little dollies at home, some Lego blocks, but you need 2 different things. So you need 10 of the same things and then 10 of different things, okay? Sorry, you need 2 groups. So I've got 10 shells and then I've got 10 discs. So you might have 10 Lego bricks and 10 socks, or 10 bits of pasta and 10 buttons, okay? And then what you're going to do, we're going to pop some, I'm going to pop some shells on my 10 frame, and then I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to add some wooden discs. And then what you'll be able to see is what 2 groups make 10. So let's go. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to write that number first. So I've added 6 shells. Then I need to do my add sign. So make sure you're recording it when you do it. So we've got 6 shells, and then I'm going to fill the rest in with wooden blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, have I got any space left? No, I haven't, have I? So we've got 6 shells, and then I've got 4 wooden blocks. So 6 add 4. It must make 10 because my 10 frame is full. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. And if you really want to challenge yourself, you can count up in 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Fantastic. Right, let's do a different one. Are you ready? So let's put some different ones in. What am I going to do this time? I think I'm going to put 3 shells. So let's write number 3. Add. Now, some of you might already know how many's left, but let's make sure. So let's put the rest of the wooden bits in the spaces on my 10 frame. And then 1 more. Right, let's count my wooden blocks together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that should be 3 add 7 equals 10. Okay, join in with me if you'd like to count up in 2s to check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now help me if you want to count up in 1s. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it does equal 10. Okay, now, so I want you to have a go at doing that. So you've got your little frames at home, and I want you to see how many different ways you can make 10. But I wonder if I just swap them around. So what about if I put 7 shells in and 3 wooden cubes? Do you think 3 wooden blocks? Do you think that would still be the same if I just swap the numbers over? Shall we see? Okay, let's swap over. So I need 7 shells this time. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 shells, and that's going to go first. And then I'm going to add the 3, and we're going to put 3 wooden cubes. I keep calling them cubes. Wooden blocks. So 7 add 3. Does it equal 10? Shall we see? Ready, help me if you want to count up in 2s to check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or count up in 1s to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 as well. So can you see here? 3 add 7 equals 10. And if you swap the numbers around, 7 add 3 still equals 10. So I'm going to let you see if you can see any pattern. See if you can work out if 4 add 6 still makes the same as 6 add 4. Now, some of you are really good at adding to 10, so this might be a little bit easy for you. Some of you might like to start this activity to get your brains going, and then I'm going to set you a challenge today. I would like you to work with 2 10 frames. So start working with one first to see if you can find all them number bonds to 10 and recording your sums. And then I would like you, so I've got another one here, to see if you can find all the numbers that make 20. So 10 add another 10 is 20. Can you see how big my frames are now? So it's a 20 frame. And I wonder how many different ways you can make 20. So have a go first at doing 10 to warm your brain up. And then do 20 and see if you can see anything that's the same with the numbers making 10 and the numbers that make 20. I can't wait to see what you get up to. And hopefully we'll get some of you trying to challenge yourself and working with a 20 frame. I'm so excited to see what you get up to. Have fun. Bye-bye for now.